welcome to Man's Kitchen. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite chicken nuggets along with some honey mustard and ranch dipping. Let's get into the video. 1 teaspoon dried parsley leaves. You can also use fresh parsley or chives if you have some. 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder. You can increase or decrease the amount of these two powders as per your taste. Salt for taste, 1.5 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. You can also use garlic powder and onion powder instead of freshly chopped onion and garlic. 3 to 4 tablespoons breadcrumbs. You can use plain or seasoned one. 1 large egg, oil for deep frying, and around 800 grams ground chicken. If you do not have ground chicken, you can use chicken breast and chop them very fine, or you can use a blender to grind the chicken breast pieces. Add all the ingredients to the ground chicken and mix very well. Make sure everything is well combined. Once they are well combined, take a small portion of it and use your fingers to make it into nugget shapes. Place them on a parchment paper, and once you are done with making all the nugget shapes, you can freeze it for 30 minutes to 1 hour before frying it. By freezing, it will get firm and it will be easy for us to roll it in the breadcrumbs and fry it. This recipe can make around 50 nuggets. We can fry half of them now and use the other half later by storing it in the freezer. You can store for a maximum of 1 week. For making egg wash, we are going to use 1 egg, some salt, some pepper, half cup of milk mixed with some water, beat the egg with salt, pepper and half cup milk mixed with water, and our egg wash will be ready. To make nuggets with flour, we need half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and some salt, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup corn flour. Mix all-purpose flour, corn flour with all other ingredients and the flour will be ready. To make nuggets with breadcrumbs, we need around 1 cup plain or seasoned breadcrumbs. First, let's make with breadcrumbs. Roll the nugget in egg wash and then roll it in the breadcrumbs, and then again roll it in the egg wash and again in the breadcrumbs. This way we will have double coating. Now nuggets with breadcrumbs are ready. Let's make nuggets with flour. The nugget first in the flour, then in the egg wash, and then again in the flour to give a nice coating. Follow the same procedure and make the other nuggets with flour. Now both the nuggets with breadcrumbs and flour can be fried. Fry the nuggets in the oil in medium heat for around 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. If you want the chicken nuggets to stay crispy for a longer time, you need to double fry them. Once the chicken nuggets are golden brown and 90% done, remove them from the pot and then let them cool down for 2 minutes. After cooling down, refry them for another 1 or 2 minutes. That way they will stay crispy for a longer time. Similar way, we can also fry the chicken nuggets made with flour. We are going to double fry this too so that it stays crispy. If you do not want to deep fry the nuggets, you can place the nuggets on the baking sheet and spray some oil on top. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit and bake the chicken nuggets for around 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown, turning them halfway through. Nuggets are ready. Let's make sauce. For honey mustard sauce, we need 1.5 tablespoon mustard sauce, 1.5 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon lemon juice with a pinch of pepper, 1/4 cup mayo. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and stir until smooth. You can serve it immediately or store and serve it cool. You can store this sauce in the refrigerator for almost 1 week. To make ranch dipping sauce, we need 2 tablespoons sour cream, 3 tablespoons mayo, 1 tablespoon thick buttermilk. If you do not have sour cream, you can also use Greek yogurt. Salt for taste. 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon crushed parsley leaves, half teaspoon lemon juice. You can also use fresh parsley leaves instead of dried ones. Combine all the ingredients and mix well until smooth. You can serve this immediately or store it in the refrigerator and serve it cool. You can also store it for a week in the refrigerator. Our dips are ready. Now it's time to serve. Serve the 2 different types of nuggets with our ranch and honey mustard sauce. Try this very easy and yummy recipe. I'm sure your kids will love it. If you like my recipes, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.